we are gonna unbox this guy right here. So I got this in the mail last week and I didn't get a chance to open it. And I wanted to do a nice little video for First Dunes. First Dunes has been a great friend and a great person to work with. A handy Leatherman tool, which I got for my birthday from a friend, which is pretty sweet. It did rust a little bit, but that's not gonna stop us. I don't know if this is a prototype or if this is how they send out a lot of their things to customers, but man, this is like top notch. I just love the colors, the vibe, the bluish. I don't even know what color this is, exact name, but I dig it. Well done on the tape and packaging is amazing. Bam! Look at that. First thing that pops out in my head, in my eyes, is this hat. How sick is this hat? Like this is my kind of hat. I'm so excited about this. How sick is this hoodie? First Dunes Custom Coastal Homes. You have quality second to none, Long Island, New York. It's not really a story. This is a tip. If you're ever going on Long Island, never say in Long Island. You go on Long Island, on the island. Trust me, you're gonna wanna know that, especially when you're talking to people on the island.
You gotta wanna know.
You gotta wanna know. And the secret to good bagels over there, it's the water. The water. And then we have this amazing card from First Dunes. This is amazing. I love, look at this. And look at this amazing that came in the package. Love the design. Thank you. I should be the one saying thank you. This is amazing. Amanda says I say amazing too much. I'm gonna do a photo shoot with these items, I think. And then we'll call it in. Amazing package. Oh God, hold on. Take 30, I've been saying amazing. This is a great package. All right, that wraps it up. Thank you, First Dunes, Chad, the entire team. Kyle, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Make sure you follow, subscribe, like this video. Write a comment or something. That'd be kind of cool. I'll respond to it. All right, see you guys.